Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my video. Now, this is a customized website, online banking and investment, which has different kind of features. I call this Ali Bank, which is very nice. Now, this is the front end website of this website design, which is sleek and very mobile responsive. Now, this is user section. As you can see, this is user section. And maybe you must be wondering how we're able to get these results and how we're able to use this website, which is very easy. So just watch this video to the end to see how we're able to install, set up, and implement this design. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Today's video is all about how to create a customized online banking website. I call this Ali Bank. Now, my name is not for any other name online. I just called it that name for just customized sake. It has different kind of features, which is nice. Okay, so before I dive in, let me just tell you, I'm using Ostinga for this video section. If you want to get Ostinga at an affordable rate, go to my YouTube bio, click on my affiliate link, Ostinga, and you get it at affordable rate. Thank you. So without further ado, so once you come to your Ostinga section, or if you're using any kind of SIP panel, it's very easy to do. Okay, the very first thing we do is create your company email account. I've done mine and I've saved mine on my notepad. You get it. Once you create your company email, ensure to save it on your notepad. After that, go straight to your file manager, which is your file manager. When you're using SIP panel, it's still the same process. Now this is my domain, which is empty, as you can see. So while this is loading, I guess it's my network. So I'll go straight to database wizard, or go to database. So I'll just have to fill out this information very quick. Let me just call this Ali customized DB. I'll change this to, okay, let me just take this out to user. And this is it. So what you just have to do is ensure to copy this information. Now you open your notepad, you paste it, then copy this information. So if you're using cPanel, after you get to this section, you get to see something like all privileges. Ensure to click on it. Very important if you're using cPanel. So we've created our company email on our database. I'll click what create. Good. So this is it. Let me go back to our file. I'll go to public_HTML. You can see it's empty. So go to upload. Now let me upload the file. So this is it. Now this is an online banking website with investment sections. So I will just click on this. It's uploading. You can see it's uploading. So I'll go back to my hosting environment. Go to phpMyAdmin. So I'll click enter phpMyAdmin. So we need to upload our database section. Then I'll go to import. I'll choose the file, and this is for the database. I'll click open. Then go to import. Now you can see our database has been uploaded successfully. So next step, just click on structure. Good. And this is it. Now go back to your hosting environment. Scroll down to where you have if you're using Stinger, go to advanced. If you're using cPanel, just go to select PHP version or multiple PHP manager and click on the PHP configuration. Take this to 7.4. Now this script works on 7.4. Now click on update. Good. So I'll just take this out. Now this is good. So I'll come back here to my public_HTML. You can see how it is. Then I'll extract this file. Just put any folder name here and extract. Double click on this and ensure to copy all information. Then move this back to your public underscore HTML. And this is just click on move. Or you move it back to your add-on domain. It all depends on what you're using. So I'll delete the zip file and also this folder. So I'll click on delete. Good. Now we've done this. Now this is very good. Now the next section is you come to config. Then you come to db.php. You edit this. So this is for a database. I'll copy my database password. Ensure to put them in between. And also my database name and username. So what you're doing basically is just copy and paste. Good. So I'll click what? Save. Exit section. Go back to functions.php. Okay, there's not much thing to do here, so just exit section. So let's go back to the website and reload. Good. As you can see, this is the demo website. This is good. This is nice. This is slick. This is good. Okay, before I continue here, let me just copy this link and open in a new tab. So in doing this, this is how we get our admin. It will be your domain name /admin/login.php, and you get to this section. Okay, let me go back to your PHP admin. Go to admin. Then this is the admin section. Just click on edit this, and what you just have to do is copy your email. Then you can change the password also. And do not encrypt, just do it this way and click on go. You can see we saved the information successfully. So I'll go back to the admin section here and put it here. Then I'll put in a password. I'll click on login. Okay, invalid email. Okay, this invalid email. Let me go back to admin. Go to admin. Go to edit. Let's say. You can see there's space here, so this was my mistake. Delete this space and go back to go. Okay, then come back here. Let me put the email back and put my password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and click on login. Now you can see how it is. We did a mistake and we rectified it. Now the next section here is I will just go straight to the point. I'll go to settings. Then come to where I have SMTP settings first. Now this section here, if you're using Hostinger, yours is smtp.hostinger.com. So once you create an email account, the very first message you see in your inbox, that's your email configuration settings. Just go there and get your information. So I'll just change this to smtp.hostinger.com, and here will be my email, and also the password you created while creating your company email. Ensure you copy the exact stuff. Okay, then I'll just come here and paste it and click submit. It will reload this section. Good, we've done this. Now the next section here is go to site settings. Now you change this to your website name, and also copy your URL. Now remove the slash and remove this, just the domain name.com. Now you can change the referral bonus. Let me say referral bonus is 100 and transfer fee is 500. Allow billing code, and you can also change here. Allow transfer receipt, yes. Now this is where you change your site logo. After you've done this, click on submit here first. If you want to change your site logo, just come here and do that, and then click what update logo. Now we've done that. If you go to account settings, Now if you want to change your admin and password, this is how you do it. Next section here we have wallets. Now this wallet here, what I would tell you guys is to not delete this. You get it. Now let me just add a new wallet, for example, purpose. So while editing, I forgot to actually rectify this section here. So for instance, let me just say so, then put in the wallet address and add wallet. You can see it went to number 1. If you want to add a new wallet, let me just say this and put wallet address and add wallet. Show error. Why? Because the primary key has changed to 0. Yeah, I forgot to do this. Now this is just, once you come to the database, go to wallet section. Now this is so, this is how it is. Once you come here, click on edit, then change it to, we have 10, take it to 11. Click on go. And I can see it will come down here. So I reload this section here. You can see then I can add another wallet. So ensure you did not delete them, just edit. If you want to edit them, just edit the available ones. For instance, let me click on update wallet. So if you want to edit them, just come here, click on this and update the wallet address. So basically that's how it works. You get it. If you want to add changes to PayPal, for instance, let me say PayPal. Put your PayPal email. Then you click on update this wallet, and basically this is how you do it. Okay, good. And next section is you come to where you have plans. You have plans. You go to view plans. Now these are demo view plans. You can also update them. Click on updates. You can also change the percentage in order and click update package. Or you go to add plans. So let's add a plan. Let me say this should be Angel plan. The percentage increase there, let me say 87. Number of days 9 days. Minimum here is 100 to 500. For instance, I'll click on add package. You can see how it works well. Click on view plans, and Angel plan has been added successfully. If you go to manage users, now there is no users yet. So let me go back to the website. I can say this is Slate. So I'll go straight to sign up. I can see the sign up section which is nice. Now customizing your website gives a developer this joy of, or the ability to experience a relief in terms of you were able to create a substance, a design that's worth your struggles and learning. Okay, if you want to know how to be able to report sites that are phishing, please, there's a video on my YouTube channel. I pinned that to my own page. Please go there and watch it on how to report any phishing website. If you see my design on a phishing platform people are using, maybe another dev cloned the design and starts using or selling it to people for scam purpose, please just go and report the website. Thank you. So let me just fill out this information real quick. So I'm just going straight to this, and then the password. Let me put my password. They have to confirm the password also. Then put in the pin here. Then this should be the verification section. Ensure this is on capital section. Then I'll click on create account. You can see registration successful. Then I'll go back to the website. You can see it is Big Giant Tech. This is its Jendo. This is the account number. So as a user, I'll copy my account number, go back to the login section and paste my account number. Then I'll paste in my password. Then I'll do the same reCAPTCHA again as a user. Then I'll click on login account. Good. Wow. So guys, this is the front end user section of the website, which is sleek and which is nice, which is very very powerful. Now let me just show you guys how it is in the mobile section. You can see how it is in the mobile section, which is nice, which is authoritative, which has this finesse in terms of designs, and love the kind of setup I did here. So the next section here, you just come back here and take this back. You can see it in the mobile section. It has a easy navigation section. As user click on this, you can see user can also have easy navigation. It has just can also change the currency section here. So let me just change this currency section. Let me just go back to the desktop view so you guys won't be confused on what I'm doing. Okay, let me just take it like this. So let me take this to Naira. So I'm coming. Just want to show you guys how it was. This is a widget section I added for advanced currency detector. Or let me just put any of them just for time sake. Okay, this is time sake. Let me reload here. Okay, this is still in dollars. Let me take this up to euros. Let me reload here again. You can see this is how it works, right? This is how it works. Now, the very first section here, we have auto virtual card. This is auto virtual card. Now, once I come to generate a new card, this just can actually generate new cards. You can see how it is. Then I can also copy the card information. This is for this auto virtual card. This is for just for phone sake. Now, if you have a real website, you can also indicate or add API to this to ensure it works with your merchant bank. Now you can see how it is, right? This is good. So I'll just save this down for now. Now the next section is come to deposit. Now this is deposit section. Users can also deposit here. And let me just put an amount to deposit. Then select the preferred method. We added Sol, right? Okay, PayPal. This is the PayPal. We added PayPal. I'll click on proceed to deposit. Then let me upload that this is the PayPal. It was user copy the PayPal email. Then let me just upload the payment proof. So this is the payment proof. I'll click on submit, confirm deposit. Deposit successfully. Please wait for admin approval. Good. So I'll go back to dashboard. Let me go back to that bin. Then I'll go to deposit request, go to pending deposits. This is the payment proof. I'll click on approve this. Now this is good. This is how it works basically. Once I come back to dashboard again, I can see the active deposit and account balance, which is nice. Now users can also come to link card. This is linking an external card to this. Okay, so I'll just come here and let me just copy this information. Then let me just put an amount on a link. User can deposit with a external card. So I'll just paste the card number here. Let me see the card name, Jendo. You can see it says, and let me just say this and 26. Okay, so I'll just come back and click confirm or complete deposit. Now, deposit request received successfully. Please wait for admin approval. You will receive an email confirmation once it is deposit is processed. You can see. And this is for the card payment. get it. And this is a customized platform. So once I come back to penny deposits, let me reload this section. Now, once you come to the penny deposits, you'll be able to see it here, right? Let me go to inbox. Let me reload my inbox. Now, you as an admin, you get this information. You see, these have requested this with. You can see the information here. You can see how it is. You can also get the information after you've made deposits with this section. You go to the admin section and go to credit debit user. Go to credit users. Now you select the username you want to send out bank. You just put any account number here. Send out bank name might be your company's name. Then you send out account number, who's sending it, and the date. You can also backdate this. And today, let me just put this as the 10,000. The account name, Big Giant Tech. There's the country of the sender, card payment. Then click on submit. Account credited. So I'll go back to the dashboard section. I'll go to locate deposit history. You can see total deposits, total transaction, total deposit. You can see it is completed. So let me show you guys more. Okay, if you go to bank statement, now this is 10,000 you credited the user. The user can view the receipts from here. You can see how it is nice, it's sharp and it is slick, well composed. So that is how card payment works. Okay, now before I come to this withdrawal section, the user click on withdraw. They have to go through KYC channels. If user click on withdraw, local transfer, any kind of transfers, they have to go through KYC section. Now let me just come here, select the gender male. So let me upload an image. So I've uploaded the image. I'll click on this satisfied and submit for verification. KYC has been sent for verification. I'll go back to the admin, come to KYC request and go to pending KYC. You can see the KYC ID, and once you approve this, users won't be able to go through KYC channels anymore. So I come back to KYC verification, verify successfully. User can just come back to the dashboard. So that's how it works. Now, second section here is for the investment plans. Now, users haven't purchased an investment. So let me just say I want to select this investment we added. The Angel Plan investment. I'll click on select this plan, and the minimum here is 500. Let me just say 400. Then I'm using Ethereum. So I'll click on start investment. Now it takes it to the payment section. So let me upload the payment proof. After user have copied the wallet address. Now, always ensure to tell your customers to always confirm wallet address before making payments, because that's one of the security cautious reasons of using your website. So I'll click on confirm deposit. Now deposit successfully, wait for admin approval. So I'll go back to admin, I'll go back to deposit request and go to pending deposits. Now you can see the 400, right? Method Ethereum. So I'll click on approve this. Good. So go back to the user section, go to where you have investment history. Now we go to investment history, you have to you can see active investment. Now once user come to this section here, the main active investment here is this 400, which is the plan. Like if you see this, you're able to see completed, meaning this is not an investment. Now we click on help section, plan type not showing. This is the plan type not showing. The amount you see without the plan type are marked as completed but are not among any active investments. Meaning this is not among any active investment. So this is the main investment. You get it. Now this is how the investment earning history is. Okay, so that's how it works. So users can come to bank statement. They are able to print out bank statement when they are being credited or debited. Users can come to bill payments. Now this bill payments here, there's nothing though, just for content sake, to add more content to make it more look rich in terms of design and proportion. Alright, now if you also come down, we have crypto trading. Users can also purchase. Now if you click on buy crypto, users can also purchase cryptocurrency from this legit platforms. Okay, so that's how it works. So once you come down to, we've talked for the investment plan and the and this is deposit history. Okay, we've talked on this too. Now the next one is users can apply for grants. So let me just fill out this information so you guys will be able to understand better. Let me see the grant section here. It should be school. The category education. So this is just for example purpose. Okay, I would say this should be 8 months. Alright, so I'll click on next, and the amount requested for this, let me say, okay, I'm going to just put education. So if user have any document that can back up this claim, they'll just upload it here. They can upload it more in terms of PDF and any other file. Then after they've done, they'll click on next. Now users have to review before they upload. Just click on the agreement section and submit application. Good. So let me go back to the admin section and reload the admin. You can see the grant application section here. This is nice, right? This is nice. Good. So once you apply for grant, once you go to admin, you also get emails too. You can see the grant application here. Then you come to admin, you go to credit and credit users. Then this particular user also. So what you just have to do is you have to select the dates, and the amount for this grant here is 7,000. I'll just put this as grant application approved. Then I'll click on submit. So once I come back here, let me go to bank statement. And you can see how it is. So once I go to the 7,000, you can see the grant application approved. So basically this is how it works. Okay, same thing with the loan section. Once you fill the loan, then the loan purpose, let me just put this as loan. The term, sorry, I'll go to next, and now this is nine digits, so good. So I'll click what's next. Select the status. I'm going to put this as student. Okay. Then I'll click what's next, and I'll upload a document for verification also. So I've uploaded the image. Then I'll click what's next. The users just have to review the information and click on the boxes and submit application. So you can see once you click submit application, so as you can see application submitted. You receive a top up in your account once loan is approved. You get it. So let me go back to my inbox and loan application. You can see it is right. Now this is good. So it all depends on the host you're using. If you're using some most hosts, the image will come to this section also. If you're using some cPanel, image will come here. I don't know why hosting is not coming, but that image will come to that section. So user also gets email on this loan section. So once you approve the loan as an admin, you also do the same section here. So once you go back to manage users, go to manage users, you come to found this user. You can see this is the profit balance section. So I just increase the balance for each investment and click on submit this. So once I go back to user section, I go back to the dashboard, and you can see how it is. This is the total earning, which is the total profit. So this website is nice, guys. So everything works. I'll just go down to the international transfer section, and that will be all. Okay, once you go to international transfer, now this is it. So users will be able to come here. Let me just put the amount. Then the account number, account name, account number, and the country you send it. The user is sending to. Now this will take them to the ITN. Then users need this information to be able to change this. Go to admin, go back to settings, go to site settings. Now just change this to any 4 digits of your choice. Let me say 465 4656 4655. Then let me do it this way and 0009. I'll click submit. So basically this is how you change them. So I'll go back to the user section. Now if I don't have this, I'll return to the account section back. You can see you have a pending transfer of 3,000, and you can see you need ITN. Go back to continue transfer. It takes users back here 4655. Then once I click on confirm, now you can see how it is. Now it takes users back here to BTC. Let me go return back to the account section. So I will log out of the account. Let me show you guys something. So I want to show you guys, even if a user logged out and they log in back, they will be able to see the same transfer. You can see the BTC, right? Let me just go to log out. And let me log in again and put in my password, and let me just continue this process. Then I'll click login to account. You can see users will also come back to meet it this section here. So once I come back here, I continue this transfer again. So I'll put in my BTC and submit. then FCA. Also confirm this. Then your transaction fee you created, you also put it here. And you can see how the receipt is. User can also print this receipt, which is nice. So once I go back to admin section, I'll come back to let's say go to international transfer. I'll go to pending and just come back here. So I'll go back to international transfer, go to pending international transfer. You have to see them here. Just click on and approve this. Good. So you can also create so you can also come back here and create transaction history for this user or any user depending on what you want to do. So let me just create transactions for this user, and now this will be the user account number. User account number, let me just copy it. You're creating transaction for this user account number. Okay, this is bank account number. Doesn't matter though. So let me just put this as 3,000. Now click submit. You can see how it is. So I go back to bank statements. Now you're able to see this this information. This is the transaction we did. Okay. I have to also approve this transaction too. So once you create a transactional history for that, you need to also approve it. This is it. So I click here and see fee, right? So go back to admin section. We've done that section. I'll show you guys how to also add funds, also manage the user section. Now we've done basically everything here. Now this withdrawal section here is users can also withdraw without going through all this transfer process. So you go to withdraw. So they'll be able to withdraw funds here through wallet, and it all depends on the admin. Then click on submit request. You understand? So if I go back to admin section, if I go to withdraw, pending withdraw, now if I approve this, it's still the same way. So guys, we've done the most and the major part of this website and everything concerning this website. You can also delete this particular user here, or you can also edit this particular user. You can see you can also edit this particular user. Now you can also dominate this user account. Because you put this to dominant and submit, users will be able to withdraw. You get it? Users won't be able to withdraw. Users won't be able to do any transfer until they verify the account, for instance. Okay, you can say, okay, go and verify your account before your dominant account will be open. So basically, this is all about this website. If you like this video, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.